Understanding the CMA Journey. The path to becoming a certified management accountant represents one of the most challenging yet rewarding journeys in the accounting profession. Successful candidates often describe the certification process as transformative, not just for their careers, but also for their understanding of business and finance. The CMA designation has become increasingly valuable in recent years, with many organizations seeking professionals who can bridge the gap between accounting operations and strategic business decision making. While the exam's rigor and comprehensive nature can seem daunting at first, understanding the experiences of those who have succeeded provides valuable insights for prospective candidates. Breaking down the exam structure. The two-part format. The CMA exam consists of two distinct parts that test different aspects of financial and managerial accounting knowledge. Part 1 focuses on financial planning, performance, and analytics, covering essential topics like budgeting, forecasting, performance management, and cost management. Part 2 emphasizes strategic financial management, diving deep into financial statement analysis, corporate finance, risk management, and investment decisions. Each part requires approximately 4 hours to complete, consisting of both multiple-choice questions and essay scenarios that test candidates' ability to apply their knowledge to real-world situations. This comprehensive structure ensures that certified CMAs possess both broad theoretical knowledge and practical application skills. Content breakdown and weighting. Understanding the exam's content weighting proves crucial for effective preparation. In Part 1, cost management and internal controls typically represent about 30% of the content, while performance management and analytics comprise roughly 25%. The remaining portions cover external financial reporting, planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Part 2 places significant emphasis on financial statement analysis and corporate finance, with the remaining content distributed across investment decisions, professional ethics, and risk management. Successful candidates recommend allocating study time proportionally to these weightings while ensuring comprehensive coverage of all topics. Study time commitment. Successful candidates consistently emphasize the importance of dedicated study time in their exam preparation. Most report spending between 150 minutes to 300 hours studying for each part, with the actual time varying based on individual background and experience. These hours typically stretch over 3 to 6 months per part, though some candidates choose to prepare for both parts simultaneously. Working professionals often find success by establishing a consistent study routine, dedicating early mornings or evening hours to exam preparation while maintaining their full-time jobs. The key lies not just in the quantity of study hours, but in the quality and consistency of preparation. Effective study strategies. Creating a structured plan. Successful CMA candidates emphasize the importance of developing a comprehensive study plan that accounts for both personal and professional commitments. Begin by conducting a realistic assessment of your available study time and create a schedule that includes regular review sessions, practice exams, and buffer periods for unexpected events. Many candidates find success by breaking down the exam content into manageable weekly goals, ensuring steady progress while preventing burnout. Include specific milestones and regular self-assessments to track your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Leveraging multiple learning resources. While review courses provide a solid foundation, successful candidates often supplement their study materials with various resources. Combine textbook learning with video lectures, practice questions, and real-world applications from your professional experience. Many candidates find success by joining study groups or online forums where they can discuss complex topics and share insights with fellow exam takers. The diversity of learning materials helps reinforce concepts from different angles and accommodates various learning styles, creating active learning experiences. Rather than passively reading study materials, successful candidates engage actively with the content. This might involve creating summary notes, teaching concepts to others, or relating exam topics to real-world scenarios from your work experience. Many find success by maintaining a dedicated notebook for challenging concepts and regularly reviewing these notes. Creating mind maps or flowcharts for complex topics can help visualize relationships between different concepts and enhance understanding. Mastering multiple choice questions. The multiple choice sections of both exam parts require not just knowledge, but strategic approach. Successful candidates develop techniques for eliminating obviously incorrect answers and managing their time effectively during the exam. Practice becomes crucial here. Work through as many sample questions as possible to familiarize yourself with the exam style and common trap answers. Pay special attention to questions that test calculation skills, as these often require quick, accurate work under time pressure. Strategic question analysis. Develop a systematic approach to analyzing multiple choice questions. First, read the entire question carefully, identifying keywords that indicate what's being asked. Then, attempt to solve the problem before looking at the answer choices to avoid being influenced by incorrect options. When reviewing practice questions, analyze both correct and incorrect answers to understand common pitfalls and strengthen your understanding of core concepts. Time management techniques. Successful candidates typically allocate about 1.5 minutes per multiple choice question, leaving adequate time for the essay section. Practice maintaining this pace during mock exams to develop a natural rhythm. If a question seems particularly challenging, mark it for review and move on rather than getting stuck. This strategy ensures you have time to attempt all questions while maximizing points on those you're confident about. Conquering the essay section. Understanding essay requirements. The essay portion of each exam part presents unique challenges that require specific preparation strategies. Successful candidates emphasize the importance of clear, concise writing that directly addresses the question prompt. Essays test not just technical knowledge, but also the ability to communicate complex financial concepts effectively. Practice organizing your thoughts quickly and presenting information in a logical, structured format. Remember that graders look for specific keywords and concepts, so be thorough in your responses while maintaining clarity. Time management in essays. Time management becomes crucial during the essay section, where candidates must complete several scenarios within a limited time frame. Successful test takers recommend allocating specific time limits for reading, planning, and writing each response. Many find success by quickly outlining their answers before beginning to write, ensuring they cover all required elements. Leave time to review your responses for completeness and clarity, as points are often lost due to missing key components of the question. Writing effectively under pressure. Develop a template approach for structuring your essays that you can adapt to different types of questions. Start with a brief introduction that restates the key elements of the question, followed by clearly organized paragraphs that present your analysis and recommendations. Support your points with calculations when relevant, and ensure your conclusions directly address the original question. Practice writing under time conditions to improve your ability to produce clear, well-organized responses quickly. Final preparation and exam day. Pre-exam review strategy. In the final weeks before the exam, successful candidates focus on comprehensive review and practice exams rather than learning new material. Create a condensed summary of key formulas and concepts for final review. Take multiple full-length practice exams under test-like conditions to build stamina and identify any remaining weak areas. Many candidates find it helpful to join study groups during this period to discuss challenging topics and share last-minute preparation strategies. Physical and mental preparation. Maintain physical and mental well-being in the days leading up to the exam. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and continue regular exercise routines to manage stress. Plan your exam day logistics carefully, including transportation to the testing center and necessary materials. Many successful candidates recommend taking the day before the exam off from studying to rest and mentally prepare. Conclusion. The journey to CMA certification requires dedication, strategic preparation, and resilience. Success comes from combining thorough content knowledge with effective exam-taking strategies and maintaining consistent study habits throughout the preparation period. Remember that the certification process represents not just an academic challenge, but a stepping stone to enhance career opportunities and professional growth. By learning from successful candidates and adapting their strategies to your own needs and circumstances, you can develop an effective approach to achieving this valuable professional certification.